Welcome back to the blame game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week we're talking about enhancing customer interactions. In the automotive repair industry, service advisors play a critical role in customer interactions and satisfaction. While technical knowledge is important, the ability to connect with customers on an emotional level is equally vital. This is where emotional intelligence comes into play. In today's video, we will explore the significance of emotional intelligence for service advisors and how it can enhance customer interactions. Understanding and empathy. Emotional intelligence enables service advisors to understand and empathize with customers' emotions, concerns, and frustrations. By actively listening and recognizing customers' needs, you can demonstrate genuine empathy, putting yourself in their shoes. Understanding their perspective allows you to provide personalized and effective solutions, fostering a positive customer experience. Managing customer emotions. Customers may experience a range of emotions when faced with vehicle issues or unexpected repairs. Emotional intelligence helps service advisors effectively manage these emotions. Stay calm, patient, and composed even in challenging situations. Respond empathetically to alleviate customers' concerns, offering reassurance and support. By managing emotions with tact and understanding, you can diffuse tense situations and build trust with customers. Building rapport and trust. Developing rapport with customers is crucial for building trust and long-term relationships. Emotional intelligence helps service advisors establish connections beyond the transactional level. Take the time to engage in friendly conversations, show genuine interest in customers' concerns, and build a personal connection. Building rapport and trust allows customers to feel comfortable and confident in your recommendations. Conflict resolution. Service advisors occasionally encounter customer conflicts or disagreements. Emotional intelligence equips you with the skills to handle these situations effectively. Stay calm, actively listen to the customer's concerns, and respond empathetically. Find mutually agreeable solutions that address their needs while upholding the interests of your business. Effective conflict resolution demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction. Adaptability and flexibility. Automotive service situations can be unpredictable, requiring service advisors to adapt quickly to changing circumstances. Emotional intelligence allows you to be flexible and adaptable in your approach. Responding with agility and maintaining a positive attitude in the face of unexpected challenges helps create a reassuring experience for customers. Continuous improvement. Emotional intelligence is a skill that can be developed and honed over time. Seek opportunities for personal and professional growth to enhance your emotional intelligence. Attend workshops or training sessions that focus on empathy, communication, and conflict resolution. Regularly reflect on your interactions and seek feedback to identify areas for improvement. By continuously developing your emotional intelligence, you can excel in customer interactions as a service advisor. Emotional intelligence plays a vital role in service advising, enabling service advisors to connect with customers on a deeper level. By implementing the tips and strategies presented in this video, you can enhance customer interactions and satisfaction. Remember, emotional intelligence is a valuable tool that not only benefits customers, but also contributes to your personal and professional growth as a service advisor. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.